What's up, YouTube? It's Saturday. Dylan's off today, but he's here working on his thing. Michael from American Auto Group saying hi to the dog out there. Very pet friendly here. My man Bruce, right hand man, best contractor around. I'm doing a 200,000 mile evap repair. At this mileage, we are replacing the charcoal canister in its entirety, the purge valve, and the OEM gas cap. The charcoal system does decay over a period of time. We could have went and just replaced the purge vent valve, but at this mileage, no sense in doing that. This will start to suck the charcoal through the whole entire system as it starts to decay and clog up the system. So it's actually good to replace that. I had 3 seized bolts because they were decayed away. There's one decayed. And you have 1, 2, see this clip here, this hose here, this hose with a clip, squeezy clip on this one, the harness for the vent valve, the bolts that hold it in. There was a shield on the bottom with it. I knocked that old shield off to gain more access. It just slides off. And then there's another bolt over top of the subframe, which you're going to need a super fancy socket like this to get up in there and get it out. And then I'm going to slide it out this way. I might have to pop the exhaust hanger down, but this is how it comes out. Thanks for watching.